Like and subscribe if you love bacons. Let's go to my garden and give the everyone. Okay, bacons. I give you some. I give you some dragons. Please, bacon. Bacon. No one follow him. I don't will die. Where's my friends? Let's go to my friends. Friends, like and subscribe. I love bacon. Friends, please don't do that. I give you some money. Please don't do this type. No, don't follow him. Please let me in. No, my fruit dragons. Oh no, like and subscribe if you love bacon. Let's go to my your farm. Let's go to my farm. Oh no, two dragon fruit my hmm I sell him my fruit. Watermelon. I see watermelon. A giant watermelon. Oh no, it's go to sell. Wow, like and subscribe.
Papa, who is in my bed? Who is in my bed? It's in my bed.
What bacon? No.
Papa, who is in my bed?
Mitch, ano pangalan mo?
Ah.
Ikaw, Russell. Russell. Sino si Russell?
Ako.
Russell.
Who is in my bed? What?
Russell.
Let's go to my
Who
seeds.
is
Like
in my
tomato and pumpkin.
Best to hide inside. Potato tutor.
Ayoko.
Sino na job?
Like and subscribe.